Understanding calorie tracking, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting and important topic, calorie tracking. This concept is key for anyone interested in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, losing weight, or understanding more about nutrition. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Calories are units of energy. They measure the energy value of food and beverages. Our bodies need this energy to perform basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, and cell growth. The energy from calories is also essential for physical activities such as walking, talking, and exercising. Understanding calories is the first step in calorie tracking. Calorie tracking involves keeping a record of the calories you consume through food and drink. It's a tool often used for weight management. By tracking calories, you can ensure that you're not eating too much or too little for your body's needs. It's important for maintaining a healthy weight, which is linked to reducing the risk of various diseases. 1. Understanding food labels. Most food products have labels showing their calorie content. Learn to read these labels to know how many calories you consume. 2. Using calorie tracking apps. There are many apps available that make calorie tracking easier. You can log what you eat, and the app will calculate the calories for you. 3. Portion size awareness. Be aware of portion sizes. Sometimes, we consume more calories by eating larger portions without realizing it. 4. Consider nutritional value. Besides calories, consider the nutritional value of foods. Foods with high nutritional value contribute to a healthier diet. Be consistent. Track your calories every day to get a clear picture of your eating habits. Be honest. Record everything you eat and drink accurately. Set realistic goals. If your goal is weight management, set achievable goals for calorie intake. Stay informed. Educate yourself about the calorie content and nutritional value of different foods. I hope this video has provided you with a good understanding of calorie tracking and its importance in a healthy lifestyle. Remember, calorie tracking is a tool to help you make informed decisions about your diet. Stay healthy and happy tracking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.